This is video number 2. This is the same spreadsheet that I talked about on the earlier video, but now I'm going to go to the LPP by year. I'm going to click on that workbook, and you get a different view. It still does the same thing as far as status and current club, but this time I have how many points were earned each year, and then their grand total. So this over here, for anybody who wants to play with the pivot chart, these are the fields that are in the background data that you can move into the rows, columns. You can filter. So here's the club and status filters that are up here. The year, that's the columns here. Sum of LPP sums all of the LPP across the rows. Dog ID, right up here. And I also have dog R name, the registered name, to make it easier for us to figure out whose dog is who. It's kind of hard to figure that out with just the numbers. Again, you can filter this. So let's say I want to look at those dogs who are no longer competing or are called inactive in this database. And I want to look at the CMX004. So you can see these are the yearly values of the LPP the dog earned in those years, and their total LPP, which coincides with the previous video. Now let's see, we want to look at the active dogs of, let's say, CAN005. Highlight it and click OK, and you can see that CAN005 shows up here. Lola has the highest points for that club with 3,160, and Lola started competing in 2022. So there are background worksheets in this file that are hidden and protected so that people can't make any alterations, and that's just for your protection so that when you slice and dice you don't lose any of the original data. If you have any questions, please send me an email at pagc.live@gmail.com.